Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so today it's going to be like a vlog drive with me, and I'm excited to do this video today because we're back from vacation. No, let me turn the AC on. This is the first thing I do, and right now I was dumping out all my sparkling waters that I had here. I have a collection going on here, and I brought my Yeti cup with me. If you live in Texas, you know you need this like on a daily basis in the morning or in the afternoon. You just have to. I'm about to stop at Starbucks before I go to my hair salon appointment. Yay! I gotta go get my root touch up, and I'm actually gonna tell her that I want to go a little bit lighter. Well, actually dimension. I want like some dimension, which is kind of like some low lights. I believe that, yeah, low lights. I was searching on Pinterest for like the past few days, and I found some inspo pics, and so I'm gonna be showing her that. I don't know why every time like I talk, I like do all these like hand movements, but it's always like every time you talk you're like. But okay, so today we're going to go to Ulta, and I just love my hairdresser. I'm going to go to her. I just saw her, I think in April or May, from the last video that I posted, and I have not washed my hair in like the past. You probably hear like all the AC. I'm sorry. And this hair is like 3-day-old hair, which that's kind of gross. I've been like using dry shampoo for like the past 3 days. So this morning when I showered, I was like so tempted like to wash my hair, but she told me like, you know, just to leave it alone. And so I'm gonna go ahead and stop at Starbucks, and then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. I made it to my destination. Can you see? Ulta. Okay, so let me grab my purse. Let me put my keys in here. And I'm also gonna, I forgot to spray myself with I can't even talk. I'm over here. I forgot to spray myself with perfume. So let's go ahead and, which one should I spray myself with? I forgot my AirPods too. I usually bring my AirPods so I can listen to music. Turn the camera on. Let me go to the perfume section. Which one should I spray myself? I do like this alien perfume. I'm probably gonna spray myself with this one, just because I forgot to. I still have this one. Okay, back to my appointment. Other side? Okay. Hi.
Double check. We have scanned everybody's stuff out, but if anybody like grabbed anything, just like no, I haven't. You haven't been here yet. So yeah.
Guys, look at my hair. She did dimension, and I love it. After I got it from the chair, I love my hair. Okay, I can't do a restroom because I have to. I'll be back. Let me show you my outfit of the day, which this t-shirt, my shorts, see? And then my chanclas. Okay, I need to go pay. Okay, I'm gonna get an eyeshadow, but I don't know which kind. I think I saw this one last time. Oh, these are pretty. Okay, I see this. It looks interesting. Shimmer body oil. Let me put some on my leg. How should I do this? Oh, that's pretty. So I need to put on. Let's smell it. Smell the coconuts. Okay, I am out. I wanted to get a roller, but I'm gonna have to do that next time. Peace out, Ulta. Ow, I hit my foot. It's freaking hot. Alright, next stop. I wanted to go to James Avery too to get a ankle bracelet because my gold one ripped. So let me turn the car on. And my hair's all messed up now. Ugh. Wow, my hair got messed up. Why? Why you mess up hair? Okay, so today's visit was not bad. Let me turn the AC on. Woo. Okay, so she gave me Dimension just like I said earlier when I went to the restroom. And I mean, it's gonna be different lighting here because my car is like... And I did buy 2 things because I did have 500 points. And let me just show you real quick. This is a little baggie. I got a little baggie this time. So I did buy the Smashbox, the little eyeshadow palette, and this one is the Ablaze. So I'm gonna give this a try. I'm not like an eyeshadow girl because I suck at blending, but I'm gonna learn. And then I also got this mini fix setting spray from MAC, which they didn't have them in the big size, so I guess these only come in mini. Okay, so I just got home and I opened up the blinds. I am in the kitchen and I just wanted to show you how my color looks in the sun. I mean, with the sunlight. And like, it just feels so... You know who I feel like? I feel like Mia Thermopolis. If you know who that is, comment down below. If you don't know who that is, it's Anne Hathaway, and she's the one that does the role for Princess Diaries. That's like one of my favorite movies, mine and my sister's. So every time I just get like my haircut and color, I just really feel like Mia Thermopolis. Like, it's an extreme makeover for me, and I love it. And this is what makes me happy. I just feel like refreshed again. And yeah, this is my hair. All right, that's enough. Okay, so I have to cook right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here. Thank you for watching. If you made it this far, thank you for stopping by, and don't forget to subscribe and also give me a like if you enjoy this video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.